Once upon a time, nestled between rolling hills and clear blue skies, lay the small yet vibrant kingdom of Verdantia. This picturesque realm boasted lush green forests teeming with ancient trees whose branches stretched high toward the heavens. At the heart of Verdantia stood a grand castle home to the loving King Aldrich and his wise daughter, young Princess Elara. Elara often ventured deep into the nearby woods, drawn to nature's beauty and mystery. On one such excursion, she met an elderly tree spirit named Eldrin. His gnarled features and leafy hair reflected centuries of wisdom, captivating the young princess immediately. Eldrin revealed himself to be the guardian of the forest heart, a sacred grove concealed behind an illusionary waterfall. Touched by Elara's genuine curiosity and admiration, he offered to show her the hidden sanctuary. Stepping inside, Elara marveled at the splendor of towering trees, bathed in ethereal moonlight filtering through their leaves. In the center of the clearing stood an enormous mother tree, pulsating softly with a warm golden light. According to Eldrin, this divine being held the essence of all life forms in Verdantia. By communicating with the mother tree, one could access profound insights and guidance. Curiosity piqued, Elara reached out to touch the ancient bark, feeling an overwhelming surge of energy coursing through her veins. A vision appeared before her eyes, revealing scenes of conflict arising amongst the villagers due to scarce resources. Fearful emotions threatened to tear apart the fragile balance of coexistence between humanity and nature. Deeply troubled, Elara confessed her concerns to Eldrin. Sensing her sincerity and compassion, he taught her an essential lesson: that everything in existence shares a common thread, interconnected and reliant upon one another. Therefore, caring for nature also meant nurturing human bonds and vice versa. Together, they devised a plan to spread awareness about sustainable practices and responsible consumption. Using the mother tree's wisdom, Elara worked tirelessly alongside her father and subjects, teaching them ways to preserve natural resources without compromising quality of life. Soon enough, word spread about Verdantia's harmonious relationship between humans and nature. People flocked to learn from the wise king and his dedicated daughter, adopting similar methods in their homelands. Peace reigned supreme, ensuring prosperity for generations to come. Whenever Elara felt disheartened or overwhelmed, she sought solace under the protective boughs of the mother tree. There, amid whispers of rustling leaves and comforting earthy scents, she drew strength from nature itself, reminding herself of the vital role she played in preserving balance. My young listeners, let us take inspiration from brave Princess Elara and remember our responsibility towards nature and fellow beings. Just as the roots of trees entwine beneath the soil, so should our hearts connect, forming intricate patterns of love, care, and mutual support. May your slumber be restful, and dreams paint vivid stories of adventure and discovery. Good night.